Okay guys, short video here just to show you, not this. Oh, by the way, my head rotation, it's broken. Can't do anything about it. So yeah, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, play the guitar. Yeah, let's play the guitar for you. Let's get some background music going as well. Right, so I can strum, which is the obvious, right? I can do this with my left stick. However far I'm pushing it, you know, so I can tap it. Na 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 na. So stuff like that. With the other hand, if I press square or circle, move it up and down. Or if I press L1 or R1, I do the same thing. And it doesn't go any further than there, and it doesn't go any further than there. Every time I press it, it changes the fingers as well. So even if I get to the end here and keep spamming the button, it'll change the fingers, which I thought was a good thing. The more finger movement, the better, I feel like. But anyway, I can also slide the arm up and down, and that's without the fingers moving. Okay, so I can just like tap my right analog stick. So it's tied to that the way the strumming's tied, you know, to my left analog stick. Now I think that's about it for, if I hold square or hold circle, I jump to the end. Same with holding L1 or R1. Now, finger stuff. So if I tap X, I'll move the fingers. If I press my right analog stick in, because it's easier when I'm doing this, I'll automatically just keep doing the fingers until I press it again, it'll stop. Or if I hold R2, I'll do the fingers, and I let go, and it stops. So that's like a push and release. This is a toggle on and off. And this is where I tap it individually. And you put all this together. By the way, guys, I can't play the guitar. But we're doing it live! Fucking thing sucks, but we're doing it live! Sorry, I'm starting to have a breakdown. I really need my head movement, because that's added body movement. And, it just, like, all ties in together, you know? Having my head rotation and my body rotation, all this stuff will play on top of that, or the other stuff will play on top of this, whatever. It all blend together nicely. Bow 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 bow. Okay, that's enough for now. But yeah, this is about all I got, except for this little rotator thing I put on for now. So this is 25 minutes, like this version of the song. I don't know where the loop like ends and starts again, but I'm gonna stop it in a sec now. Probably just after this bit. The beauty is I haven't got to be tabbed into my app if I'm using a controller. I don't know if this is a bug, but if you use like your Windows key to tab out and then just click on other stuff, your controller still works. But for some reason, sometimes I can't get it working. I think if I alt tab, but with the Windows key, it's a guarantee. I'm a poet and I know it. Did this loop on me and it caught me off guard? I don't know, but. I can play my fingers even faster if I hold down R2 while it's automatically playing, which is kind of cool. My system's kind of blending together there a little bit. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Getting carried away.